Well, by looking into Forge cards, I accidentally upgraded my Pimp My Thaddeus deck. Because I realized, shit, I need to remove cards from the board. I need to have Borkler somehow, desperately. But by itself, I was just like considering that Forge is pretty good hero power. You don't need Algalon to upgrade your hero power. You can just get a new hero power on top of the Forge hero power, right? Except, you know, it's good. It's absolutely fantastic. There should be more Forge cards. There's not enough of them right now. It's technically a much better hero power. Now, I looked into Storm Giant, and I copied it into my game. This is how it looks like in my game. Except it has an ability. I can't just give a taunt and pretend that I've finished my card. Okay? This whole text is right, this one F. Alright? All of these 2 lines of text is just here. Yeah. It's kind of funny. Including this part. Alright? This is also in there. Not one letter. We shrunk the whole thing. Yeah, so I would be able to like forge endlessly. I'm not going to talk about my game specifically. Just a funny observation. I wish I would be able to just play all the forge cards. This is the last one to consider, right? In case... Because it's not a bad card. I like the spread of 5 damage. That's not bad. And we do need 5 drops. So, what should I do? I have a Prison Breaker. Is Prison Breaker better than this? Yeah, probably it is better. Unfortunately, because I have a decent amount of spells. And that's all it takes. So, this just got an L. Literally, the mini set after. This card gets an L. Excuse me, Blizzard. Why? Why? This is not spread damage, it's just a straight up overkill on everything. It's crazy. Like, this should be buffed in a way, like, just 7 damage. That would be nice. Nice gesture. But whatever. I'll just not add it into my deck, because it's now embarrassing. I even wanted to add, funny enough, the weirdest card. Because I'm so desperate to clean the board. Fucking Deathwing. It's the stupidest card, obviously. Because it's another, like, random thing you don't want to worry about. Like, losing cards from your hand. That is so stupid. Anything that's random, like, feels, like, so annoying. And Algalon just has all the worst aspects of a card. But I still love it. But the worst aspect is, like, it will only take effect if you use the hero power like 5 times. And over 5 turns, your opponent is going to be slightly weaker. And you won't be able to even know how much weaker. You're just not going to know anything. You're kind of reading some information. Kind of passing some cards through. But to know the power level of this card is like, it's insane. So of course, yeah. Pro players are not gonna play it. But still, you can't just dismiss this card. The first comment I got is like, it's a terrible card. You can't just dismiss this card. It's a very, very weird card that cannot be evaluated. Most people don't want to play it. And it's also, you know, random. Very, very random. You sometimes not gonna be guaranteeing any benefits from this card. If you get to choose from 2 cards of which to go to the bottom, which to give to your opponent, that is insanely powerful, and that would make sense. That's what I was kind of expecting would happen, but, you know, whatever. I'm okay with that. I'm okay having this. I'm not expecting to win games with it, which is another like inconsistency problem of like the card has to be consistently good to be playable. So those are the problems that kind of make this card just tucked away behind all the other ones. You know, makes it uncompetitive. I'm not saying it's bad though. I wouldn't say it's bad. I wouldn't fucking meme about it. I wouldn't say it's replacing your hero power with something worse. I wouldn't say none of those things. But it's definitely not playable, generally. You know, a 4/4 that doesn't do anything immediately, that doesn't upgrade anything, it doesn't give you tempo, like, that is weird card to play. And most people would avoid it, like Plague, but I love putting my hands onto the fire and testing cards, how they work. So, if you feel like there's a criticism, trust me, it's gonna bounce off of me. So let's play the 4th version of the Pim My Thaddeus deck. I already have tried capture some footage and lost the most disgusting game of all time called Blood Knight. I was supposed to crunch the Blood Knight, but something terrible happened. The other two games were just kind of like noobs. But this one like took a long time. Like at first you feel like, what the fuck's going on? There's nothing going on. He even uses the location to double this creature, which is just completely pointless. I do want this. Thank you very much. I am scared of due processing a druid, because they likely have more ramp than I do. I still don't know like the perfect balance of how to build decks yet. Fascinating. You all have attack. I would like if the anomalies would start like in the middle of the game. The game would get weirder and weirder as we go deeper. That would be awesome. Because like it's so annoying like to play in a stalemate, to play against other control decks where nothing... nobody really breaks. Nobody really wants to commit to the board. They just sit back and clear whatever you're playing. You know, whatever you're vomiting, they just have to clean up your vomit. So that is probably the worst part about the game. Like, game being ridiculously slow right now. And Blizzard will not do anything about it. Ever. So, that's fun. Even though anomalies tease a potential, you know, idea. Now, let's continue. So, this Warlock, I soon realized, shit, this guy's memeing with demons. And I was like doing the Forge thing and talking about like, oh, I have a much better hero power now. You don't need that many Forge cards to upgrade your hero power, but that's how you would do it. If you want to actually upgrade your hero power, that's it. Or you have to make it 1 mana cost. What? Dumping Hand? What is he doing? Is he gonna combo deck? You're gonna get milled. We gotta mill him. He's only gonna play 1 card to be safe, but not really. Really? He just bullshitted me so badly. I was really hoping we could pull Borkler. Maybe keep it that way. Just do this. Pretty fancy. 11. So 1 spell and we have a Borkler ready. I just have to pull it basically. Oh, I already do processed? Shit. Did he do process? What happened? Because I didn't play mine. Anyways, demons, memeing around with demons. And then he steals my Yogg. And this is not the first... The only time when my Titan gets stolen. So... And I only have 2 Titans in my deck. So he literally just waiting to steal Titans. It's so annoying. My Yogg gets stolen. Everyone battles, right?
My hand overflows. That was wild.
Board gets cleared pretty much. That's what I'm talking about. I've added cultivation. I added a whole train package. It seems like ridiculous not to. You know what I'm gonna do? That's kind of stupid. Let's just do this. Let's just do some nonsense. Like that.
Flower power.
I can play this, I guess. Alright. I'm still not sure what he's doing. And why he needs so many cards. And how he's gonna dump his hand so early. But he already has plus 2, 3 mana. It must be the fucking combo bullshit. So I should armor up, maybe? It's so convenient for him to get the anomaly. There's no way to get taunts. I wouldn't be too scared, but like, whatever. What the fuck does he want from me, bro? Little bitch. I can probably just go face, to be honest. Has to armor up somehow.
My hand overflows.
This better hurt, my friends. Doesn't look like it hurts.
I bestow these gifts upon the world.
Full heal, right? No! I guess I'll steal the full heal then. Oh, that's so cute.
My past cannot change me forever.
No, I can't. I have to clear. It's no longer cute.
My hand overflows.
Please kill everything. That's the worst outcome. That's the worst! What are we gonna do with that?
My hand overflows.
I technically don't have direct damage anyways, I just had to armor up anyways. It's still weird, though. I love it when they play their own stupid weapon combo. They have to run the fucking Viper themselves. They're so scared of their own combo. So pathetic, man. They pretty much lost.
I have no cards left. I can't win them all.
So that's a wasted 10 minutes of my life. Yeah, if that's competitive Hearthstone for you guys, like, I'm sorry, bro. But it's already like, it's just platinum level. I'm already like losing games. Like, what did I do wrong, guys? You just had stupid combo that worked out. That's it.
A new song begins.
So, more taunts. Somehow, yeah, he just doubled the stupid slime. Yeah, normally due process is pretty bad early game. You're wasting 2 mana. I think now is my mistake. We were kind of toe-to-toe. Whoever breaks first. But it just felt like he played due process himself. And I was confused. And I wasn't able to burn anything. Because his hand is cheap as well. So weird. He could have also just simply not have Wind Fury. And Wind Fury is what breaks the game right now. Just remove the goddamn Wind Fury already. It's such a popular card. But literally simply because of Wind Fury. It doubles the effect of the second effect. It doubles the damage to the face. You can buff the fucking weapon all of a sudden. It creates all sorts of bullshit. How did they not see that is the question. How did they not see that? Like, oh shit, Wind Fury is a problem, right? This is why I have to make my own card game. Where like, I see your problems, Hearthstone. Obviously, I won't be able to, you know, recreate Hearthstone for all the flavors that it has to offer. But like, at least I'm gonna solve the problems and it will feel really good doing that. You know, just showing a middle finger to Hearthstone of like, well, by solving problems, I am also, you know, taking some credit. Showing what it could be. How the game could have been, you know. But that's fine. The biggest problem is like, we will never be able to contribute fully. They will never be able to implement. Just like with Minecraft, it had the same problem. Like, you can't actually contribute. You can build your decks, you can build your maps, but you never can actually contribute and do anything. Like, you're not being listened to. No one cares about your stupid community, basically. We just want money. And that's it. And they must not listen to the community if they want money. Because the community is just gonna, like, outgrow Hearthstone naturally. They want to leech off of you, essentially. You know. And most people don't understand that. That the most important part is to keep this the most popular game. And to make this the most popular game, it has to be outrageous. And just, that's it. That's the game.
The time has come to dethrone our former master.
They got us, basically. I mean, this is perfect timing, right? Except I want to do cultivation really badly. Just to clear the board. Clean it up a little bit. I think it's fair, right? I can't believe though there's so much intense stuff going on the battlefield still. You would think like, nah, we're just playing control decks, nothing crazy's going on. But like, I literally can't clear the board, so it is pretty intense. With Druid, I can't clear the board. Most of the other classes just chill on the battlefield, they don't care. But for me, it's always intense. Alright. Now we can sort of chill. Anyways, I got this shit, and I didn't know what to do with it. That shit got instantly removed. Destroy, give a stat, so... It was like even the worst thing that could have happened to me, bro. I forged so carefully, you know? I spent so much mana forging. Just removed. Bam. That's the downside of the card. If they just have removals, they denied the entire list of hero powers you committed. It's still a better hero power to just forge. Absolutely. Let's see here. I mean, is this coming soon? Because it's not really. I can wait one more turn. Fuck my life, man. Oh my god, I fucking hate randomness too so badly. The endless problems. But they have to have it, basically, to entertain the dummies, basically. Something stupid, but we kind of like passed the point when we make videos about crazy things happening in Hearthstone. We're just kind of done with it. And they're losing audience anyways. And they're making layoffs. And I want to, you know, cover that topic, but I'm busy. I want to do my things. Today I'll be working on my card game even more. There's some features I need to add. Really big stuff. So I don't have time for this shit. Yeah, we still have to wait one more turn. One more thing has to be summoned as well. Interesting. Always take the value trade.
My hand is full.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. And see, he healed himself a little bit. This is the stupidest thing I could do right now. Just pick a weapon, right? What else am I gonna get from the sunflower? I literally just pick the other option. And I don't care, bro. We're doing it. It's just super clean this way. Alright, you'll regret it. You'll regret that one too.
My hand overflows.
So, how about we do this first? We're not in a hurry at all. Here we go, boys. Nah, he has too much problems to deal with. So, he doubled the stats at turn 7, I believe. Literally the... No? Oh, the Thaddeus stole a bunch of stats. 8 stats. Who doubled the stats is the next opponent. So I'm dealing with a giant Thaddeus, and I still don't have removals. Which is why you need Insatiable Devourer, and why this is annoying. How does he have another one? Is a question that everyone asks eventually in this card game. How do you have another one, though? Let me eat that, please. Bye. You try to build your board. I don't give a fuck, though. I could have kept the heal, but it's not that relevant. Just don't deal 24 damage randomly. So now he has a crazy board, right? This is my first opponent still. Oh, crazy board. We're going to fatigue. Obviously, I'm milling. He's burning my cards. And I'm trying to just simply survive and just destroy the leftovers because his hand is like empty. He doesn't have any minions. Apparently, he has Melganis. 2 Melganises. Melgani, boys. God, fuck off, man. Now I have to deal with it again. A big statted minion. So annoying. So it took me a while. I just beat the board, buff my minions, blah blah blah. No big deal. Where do you get that? I hope it's not mine. Alright, let's beat it. I should probably attack into it, by the way.
Flower power.
Something like that. No. That would be so weird. I could have, like, buffed my damage, but that's not good either. I don't think I need to heal. Yeah, I had lethal. So annoying. I definitely had lethal. I'm just not paying attention right now because it's a shitty matchup against some noob.
My hand is full.
So, everyone wants to know how I beat Blood DK and how easy that is. It's not easy because this is not a Blood DK, it's a decoy. Because he summoned the 7-drop on turn 8. Here you go. Lorthamore, boys. If someone drops a Lorthamore and they're playing a control deck, you're not gonna have an easy time. Don't worry about it. And that's what happened. Like, the end was pretty obvious. Look at the fucking stats I have to deal with nothing in my hands. That's it. I don't even want to show the entire game anymore. Because Lorthamore, you can already concede against control matchups. They dropped one card that has... Also, like, Lorthamore is not necessarily being played often enough. But it's also one of those cards that just crush control decks. It just crushes. You could reshuffle your hand too and get a bunch of stats. But it's nasty, bro. Lorthamore is a weird fucking card. I hate it. I would play it myself. Is just like you get punished if you play spells. Or too many spells or smaller minions. It's just weird. But yeah, Lorthamore, I could probably play it in this deck. No, the biggest punish is like when you have to play a card. And it's one of those cards that I would want to like play in every deck. Absolutely. Maybe I should play Paparazzi so I have a random chance to get whatever I want. But not really, you know. I can even get a second dragon, bro. Paparazzi is like the coolest card. If you ask me what the actually coolest card is. Something that people don't play but like is so cool. Paparazzi, bro. It was literally at one point a highlight of Raron's game. It's like, let's build the worst arena deck. I had Paparazzi because that's a shitty card. And then Raron keeps on fucking losing to this one card. It's so crazy, bro. This was the video. Literally, Paparazzi is the highlights. So if you ever wanted the coolest card to know what it is, what people not playing, but it can literally win you the game. That one. That one's pretty cool. Forget about, like, discovering spells when you can discover legendaries, bro. Jesus Christ. And the paparazzi is only gonna get better. As long as legendaries get better, right? Especially, like, latest expansion. Not only, like, the legendaries are gonna get better, but you filter out the shitty ones from, you know, the core sets and all that. Well, I have nothing else to do than complain on Reddit. Here you go. Summon that 6/5 for 5 mana. Crusher. You didn't crush any. You didn't do anything, bro. Look what you have done to me. Stupid Cyclops. Now I have a 8/8 to deal with. Having fun yet? Ridiculous. Save me. It's so annoying. All of this is like completely useless. To try and stop. Fucking 6-drop, bro. So annoying, man. Oh, never mind. Here's a good boy. Holy shit, man. Alright, so I'm not gonna show you this game. It's an absolute torture. I thought I was winning until he just dropped the stat bomb. I'm like, oh shit, I can't... I guess you got me. I guess you got me this time. You know, it's just one of those fucking games, man. They just do something and it's like, oh, I guess you win. Fuck. Actually, this is gonna be fascinating. How is he gonna defend himself from this? I'm not gonna let it be brawled out of the way, you know? This is gonna be a nightmare for him. We're not doing that. Let's see what happens, bro. I'ma eat some stuff. But he has to play it first. And the final game was against some new priest that didn't play minions. It's literally a shadow priest, doesn't play minions, bro. This is the only time he played minions and I already have like a Borglair in my hands. From Shaman. Alright. How do you get one of those, bro? For free. It was literally free. What would happen if I just eat it now? Well, it would be a 9/9 and it would suck. So, I have to do something cooler. I could just play the dragon now. Yeah, whatever. I don't think it's gonna do anything fancy, so... Let's just play the dragon. Get some spells ready. The Devourer just changes the game instantly. Just having it is so awesome. Having it as an option. You know at some point the game is gonna break. And you need this option. Well, now I need a Borkler. Look at that. Now I need to devour. Devour this little shit. He should brawl. I would be so fucking happy if he brawled. Oh my god. That would be hilarious. 50-50, am I right? Please commit it to the brawl as well. That would be even crazier. Oh, come on, man. That's so boring. Because now I have to kill that and steal it at the same time. Steal it back. And now he's gonna brawl for real. Well, we'll see. Maybe I can pull this off. Should be pretty interesting. Now I'm not so sure. I need to clear this board somehow. Never mind, we did it. We cleared it. Easily as well. Easiest clear of my life. Thank you very much for your business. You have one, I have one. Nothing has changed. Nature spells. Fascinating. Oh, it's gonna get brawled now. It sucks. Probably should have done it a different way. What? Oh, that would be interesting. Oh, that's so annoying. 15 damage, bro. 18 damage. What a card. No need for brawl anymore, isn't it? I can't hit my opponent anyways. Blizzard. Did you forget that fact? It's really hard to fucking hit my opponent, especially now that their Borklers don't even let me hit them anyways. What do I do, little shit Blizzard? My god. How are they so stupid? There's nothing I can do about this nonsense. I just have to dump my hand and do nothing.
I'm almost out of cards.
And that's why I'm making my own card game. Anyways, nothing happened for a very long time until he just kind of burst. Except he somehow cleared my board. That's not nice. That was nice cleared. Oh, he just played one spell. One really weird spell, by the way. Oh, look, I'm dead. How cool is that? What's the nature spell?
Unleash a new age of corruption.
If only I knew how dead I was. Very dead, not very dead, super dead. Can I survive this? Should I put armor? If I can just heal myself fully, that's fine. If he doesn't do anything, that's fine. That's not that bad. Okay, so did we just successfully meld this garbage warrior? That's so satisfying. I guess I'll just finish the video here. Ouch. But I'll take it, man. I'll take what I can get. Okay, let's heal maybe? Absolutely, let's heal.
I bestow these gifts upon the world. The magic of life.
I forgot that I have 35 health. And now he should be crying. But instead he's very competitive and he's waiting until my computer melts down from a meteor strike. Yeah, there's a chance. I have random cards though. Random cards save me. It's so stupid. It's like, yeah, but it didn't do anything. It summoned some 2-drops, bro. Congratulations.
My hand overflows.
Congratulations on your marriage. So I think that's what we have been doing, right? Shit. I don't need that, basically. I would like to have a taunt, so that's nice. Thank you. Oh, Psyche completely lost the game. Can we move on now? So yeah, I praise Algalon, but we would never play a card like that. It's just, it doesn't do much. A card you want to do something. No, but I can't trash it either. Probably, you know, the way to play Algalon is to play through Paparazzi, bro. Holy shit. That is the way. That is the only way. One and only. Paparazzi. Paparazzi saves us all. I should make a video about that eventually, but nah. I'm done. Once you start making videos, you can't stop. It's a curse. The influence. Obey. This is the stupidest word, by the way. Obey who? What? What do I do? Why, though? Here's what you can obey. Press a like button. I'm like deprived right now. Look at you, my friend. Oh my god. You found a weapon. Damn, boy. Thank you for playing. There was always hope for him. Absolutely. Yeah. It's so funny just to switch from one deck to the other. Even though there's just two decks I play. And they're so fucking awesome. We need Paparazzi in here, for real. 100%. This deck needs a Paparazzi. So, if I ever upload a video on Hearthstone, that's gonna be my next one. See you guys next time.